Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are reading NCERT English 5th class Unit 6. This is the 11th lesson of this book. The name of this lesson is Class Discussion. This is a poem and a beautiful poem written by Gavis Finn. Class discussion means conversations. Conversations means जब हम किसी बात या किसी टॉपिक पर एक दूसरे से बात करते हैं, that is called discussion. So let's start reading. In the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. We all aired our opinion, but from you we barely heard. टीचर जेन से पूछ रही है कि क्लास डिस्कशन कन्वर्सेशन में जेन यू हार्डली मीन्स नैरोली बहुत ही कम शब्द कहे हैं, बहुत ही मुश्किल से कुछ कहा है. वी ऑल एयर्ड मीन्स एक्सप्रेस बताना, ओपिनियंस व्यू विचार, बट फ्रॉम यू परंतु तुम्हारी तरफ से हमने बहुत ही मुश्किल से कुछ सुना हो. हमने अपने विचारों को एक दूसरे से बताया, लेकिन तुम्हारी तरफ से हमने बहुत कम सुना या ना के बराबर कुछ सुना. You sat and started in silence, surrounded by the chatter. Now tell me, Jane, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter? तुम बैठी हो और चुपचाप अपने चारों तरफ हो रही चैटर मीन्स गॉसिप बातों को चुपचाप सुनती रही. अब मुझे बताओ जेन, एंड प्लीज़ बी प्लेन. प्लेन मीन्स क्लियर, और ये क्लियर करो कि क्या कोई मैटर मीन्स इसकी कोई बात है जो तुम्हें परेशान कर रही है. जेन लुक्ड अप एंड देन शी स्पोक. जेन ने ऊपर देखा और तब उसने कहा. हर वॉइस वॉज क्लियर एंड लो. वॉइस मीन्स उसकी आवाज़ बिल्कुल साफ थी और धीरे थी. देयर आर मैनी पीपल इन द वर्ल्ड हु आर रैदर क्वाइट यू नो. समटाइम रैदर मीन्स समटाइम, क्वाइट मीन्स एब्सोल्युटली कि मैम आप जानती हैं कि संसार में कुछ ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं जो चुप रहना पसंद करते हैं. दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल पोएम अबाउट अ गर्ल जेन हु इज़ वेरी क्वाइट बाय नेचर, बट बाय क्वाइट नेचर शी इज़ नॉट अ डल, शी इज़ अ स्टूडियस गर्ल. जो चुप रहते हैं वो डल नहीं होते हैं, वो बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे भी होते हैं जो अपने चारों तरफ की बातों को सुनते हैं. Here is the word meaning of class discussion. First is discussion mean conversation बातचीत बहस. Hardly narrowly मुश्किल से. Aired express बताना. Opinions view राय विचार. Silence काम शांत. Chatter gossip बकवास या बात. Matter केस मामला. Clear apparent साफ. Rather sometime बल्कि किसी समय. And tenth is quite absolutely पूरी तरह से. Its first question is what activity was going on in the class. The answer is a discussion was going on in the class. Second question, who was the quiet one in the class. Answer is Jane was the quiet one in the class. Third is why was she quiet. She was quiet by nature. Last question is how do you interact in class during discussions. Do you participate or remain quiet. The answer is I speak less and listen to others more. मैं कम बात करती हूँ लेकिन दूसरों को ज़्यादा सुनती हूँ. Here are some words are given. We are using it to make a paragraph. Monu and Sonu are my classmates. They both are different by nature. Sonu is lively and naughty. He is helpful and very friendly. Monu is a quiet boy. He is very studious. He is very regular in his studies. Sonu is not as cheerful as Sonu. Everybody likes Sonu. Here's some lines are given to you. Read these lines and then after complete this chart. Sangeeta lent her pencil to her partner. Nirav is also called a chatterbox. Pranav recently saved a cat from drowning in the lake. Megha is just the opposite of Nirav. Mithila always teases everyone. Ritu is always seen with a book in hand. Nirav is also called a chatterbox. Chatterbox means talkative. Pranav is a brave boy because उसने बिल्ली को डूबने से बचाया है. Megha is opposite of chatterbox. Then talkative, opposite quiet. Mithila is a naughty because she teases everyone. Ritu is very intelligent, studious because she has always a book with her. And Sangeeta is generous. There is a write a notice. A notice tells who, when, where and what. The girls and boys class 5th wrote notices for the bulletin board. Read Sheila's notice. discuss the questions that follow. Student, this is an assignment. This is a very good assignment. You should have to answer the questions from this notice. So do it by yourself. So student, this was your 11th lesson. This is a poem class discussion. I hope you like this story, this poem. So if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe, like videos and share video with your friends, and press bell icon for getting next lessons video information quickly. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care. Bye bye.